Now, kids, let's learn to write the letter A. First, let's learn the uppercase or big letter A. To write the uppercase A, we'll start at the top. Then we'll go down. Then go back to the top. And then go down the other way. Lastly, we'll go to the middle and go straight across. Good job! Now let's do the lowercase a. For lowercase a, we'll start in the middle and go around in a circle. Then we will go down. Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter A. Keep on practicing with me. See you on our next video when we learn the letter B. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!